Might have missed the move on this. Alright, we left this 1 minute fair value gap right here after trading into this 5. I don't know if we'll get an entry, but let's see. 8.25. 3R trade right there. And that's pretty decent. We could still, I mean, we got room left to go. But that's a good spot for now.
Order filled.
NQ, I entered on ES, but NQ traded into the fair value gap. I don't think it goes up higher than that. So honestly, yes.
Order filled.
I'm out of this trade. Could still work, but it feels too rushed. I'm just gonna wait until we trade into this area. Starting to like this action here. Might be forming a little order block after taking liquidity, dipping down into that gap. And Q's ripping right now. And there goes that. Probably just induced some longs into the market. About to go take out that low again. Whoa. All right, now it's looking like we might actually take out previous day low. 50 points away. It seems doable. Ooh, some nice bullish movement right now. Let's see if this is a relief bounce or breaking this trend. I like this little scalp on ES. I mean, if it actually forms an order block this time, I look to long. Now that candle right there is the order block technically. Let's see, did it trade into it already? It did. I want to see it go lower, you know, really test it, but it could go from here. Only a few more seconds to see if fair value gap forms. There it is. This fair value gap's a good entry. Still not that big of risk, but I want to see us tap lower. I feel like we can, or maybe not. I'm not gonna chase it either though. There's the tap into the order block. 3-point risk right here. Looks like it's primed actually.
Order filled.
Targeting the 5-minute fair value gap. I think we actually could push higher. Maybe get above here. Better RR. I'll just close it if we get to this area and price action tells me different. I want price to trade through these highs first before I even think about moving my stop up. And I want it to happen soon. But so far it doesn't look too strong on ES, but NQ does not look bad. Both indices showing strength. We got a 15-minute bearish fair value gap. Just to be safe, I'm going to move my target down a bit because the 15-minute fair value gap. Moving my stop to this little swing low right here because NQ took that high right there and ES is kind of lagging. Really close to the fair value gap. We also have this 1 minute right here. We have another one right there. Shouldn't go below those two, but just in case, going break even. There's the move into the fair value gap. Nice move. Any sign of weakness and I'll probably just mark it out. I'll just move my stop up instead. If it takes me out, it takes me out, but I'm gonna try to get that target. NQ's inverting that 1 minute fair value gap.
Order filled.
TP hit. Wow, that blasted through. Shoot, we might just keep going from the looks of that candle. Might have gotten out too early. I think we take this level right here and Q's just ripping. 15-minute chart looks bullish too. Shoot, we might even take this high. That's a wrap for today's video. It's been a while since I made a video, and the reason for that is because I wanted to stop worrying about YouTube and social media and just focus up on my trading. I've lost a few funded accounts since January, and I just got funded again last week with my funded futures. They have a crazy deal going on right now for all size starter accounts until the end of this month. You can get funded for only $100, including the activation fee. That's $100 total. Links and codes will be provided in the description below for all the prop firms I'm currently using and their best discounts at the moment. With that being said, thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed what you watched. Subscribe and maybe even turn your post notifications on because I'm planning on uploading a lot more. Thanks again. I'll see y'all in the next one.